Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo button next to the t-shirt option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section you can find the t-shirt logo option, and just select the template and click that. You can edit this template. If you want to change the text, just click to the text button and write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. You can add the text to your project, and in the font section you can find different font type, and if you want to change the color, just click to the color section and select another color. In the shadow section you can set shadow to your project. And if you want to add pictures, just click to the graphic option and click to the second option, the photo, and here just select a photo from your device. If you want to draw, just click the doodle button, select a color, and you can draw to your t-shirt logo project. And if you go to the brush button, you can find different object. For example, click to the ice club and you can add this object to your project, or go to the stars and you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.